Hi, welcome to Packet Tracer 3.2.4. My name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate installing Cisco IOS software. Our objectives for today: we're going to verify the iOS image currently installed on the router. We're going to transfer a new iOS image to the Cisco router. We're going to verify the new image is installed. We're going to specify an image boot order on the router, and we're going to verify that the proper image is loaded when the router boots up. So our first step, we're going to verify the iOS image currently installed on the router. So we're going to enter the CLI into the router. We're going to get into privileged executive mode. Now we're going to just type in show flash. And it's not going to be some pervert going to be flashing his junk at us. It's going to show us what's going to happen here, what information is. So we're looking at all this information right here. Okay. Now we can see. So we were able to see what's going on. What is the name of the file name of the iOS image? Excuse me. And this right here, this should be the iOS image. I'm not going to pronounce that because it's all in computer talk. Now let's see how many bytes are available. We've used. We've got several million bytes. And I could do a conversion, see about gigs, but that's just going to take just a little bit right now, and I don't want to spend that much time working on something that we don't necessarily need to work on. Okay, step 2, we're going to transfer the new iOS image to the Cisco router. So we're still in executive mode, so let's ping. We're going to go 192.168.1.10, sending. Hopefully 80%. Let's try it again, see if we can get 100%. As I said in previous packet tracers, that sometimes when it first starts up we got this 80%, and then next time we get this 100%. For some reason computers just don't want to talk as fast as we want them to. So the first step we just did, we're just pinging the destination where we want to copy it, or where we're going to transfer it to. And now we're going to go to copy. So copy TFTP flash. And we're just checking this out. So we just got to find the address or name of remote host. And we are looking for that file that we had up here, this t7.bin. Let me just make sure that's exactly what it is. But we're using this C1841. And we just have to press enter. File name not specified. Error processing. So let's just do this. Oh. There we go. Huh. Maybe I just have to go twice or something. Error opening. Okay, I just went on just a little bit. Oh, excuse me about that. Let's see if we can go back here. Now, when it's asking for the name of the remote host or the address or name, usually just type in the IP address, which we did just to clarify. And we're going to hit enter. Now it's loading. Give it a few seconds. It's not too big. So we've actually completed step 2, which wasn't too hard. Now step 3, we're just going to verify the new iOS image is installed. Yeah. So we'll go to the old show flash command. We should have that 9 right here. That's our new one right there. That was our old one. This is our new one. Okay, so we've completed step 3. Let's go to step 4. We're just going to specify an image boot order on the router. So we're just going to global configuration mode, T, and we're already in there. Now, just saving some time right here, I'm doing a little copy and paste. Some of these we're not going to be able to do in the real life situation, but just for packet tracers' sake and just time constraints. And then we're going to hit boot system flash again, but this time it should be the different one. You can see just right here we got the different iOS. So let's hit enter. Bam. So we'll just do a Control Z, and we're out. Now let's do a show run config. And just for safety sakes, if you have, or not safety sakes, excuse me, just time constraints again, I'm just using the shorthand method, just kind of a little cheater method, just to keep things smoothly going at a good pace. But if you notice in my previous packet tracers, I'm just using the shorthand, so it's actually a show run dash config. Oh, show running dash config, excuse me. It's been a while since I've had to usually do that, but just for you guys just understanding all that so you don't get in trouble. So we got our flash right there, which is good on the show run config. What else is going on? Classless, nothing else. Alright, perfect. Alright, so we've completed step 4. Let's go to step 5. We're going to verify that the proper image is loaded when the router boots up. So let's just do run. And now we'll just go to reload. And we're going to proceed. May take a few seconds. Doing good. Now, since we did that, let's do a show version. Show version. And we got our old iOS right here since we reloaded. And looks like we're not completely done. I'm gonna do a show flash. Okay, so we got both of those in there. Let's see what we're missing. This activity isn't complete. Boot system files. Okay, so we just got to boot system files. So let's hit close. We'll give I think I just didn't save everything right. That's what I'm thinking. PT. We're going to cheat again. Yeah, that's what's happened. I just didn't save. Do run. Little cheating method right there. Building configuration. It's in there, but it wasn't in there. So I went through the right steps. The only thing I just didn't do right, because if we go right here, I saved my running configuration right here. And let's go back up here where we can actually see I screwed up. No. Well, just take it from me. I screwed up, right? Oh, it is up there. Right there. I hit the Control Z. I got out of here without saving. That was my issue. So, if you're having some problems, just blame me on that. I do apologize, but in the end, we corrected the issue, and it was just some little simple problem. This actually concludes Packet Tracer 3.2.4, installing Cisco iOS software. Thank you and have a great day.